Hi, I'm Melissa from Graco, and I'm going to show you how to remove and replace the Rapid Remove seat pad on your Graco Modes Nest2Grow Stroller for cleaning. There are 8 snaps in all. Disconnect them from the foot end and sides of the seat. Then, push the crotch strap through the seat pad. Flip the seat over and disconnect all 4 elastic loops from the calf support. Raise the canopy by pulling up on both sides of it. Remove the seat fabric from the seat frame by taking off the fabric around the recline handle. Remove the harness covers from the shoulder straps. Flip the seat over and find the backboard pocket. Pull it out with the harness and waist straps still attached. Once you have lifted it partially out of the fabric, you can easily pull the waist and harness straps back through the seat fabric. Take off the backboard along with the waist and harness straps. Remove the seat pad from the seat board. Machine wash the seat pad in cold water on the delicate cycle, then drip dry. Do not use bleach. To reassemble the seat pad on the seat frame, reverse the steps. First, place the backboard and straps in the backboard pocket. Insert the harness and waist straps through the seat fabric. Place your finger in the hole from the front of the seat to easily pull the strap through. Reattach the harness covers to the shoulder straps. Replace the seat fabric around the seat frame. making sure to place the fabric opening around the recline handle. Flip the seat over and insert the seat board into the seat bottom pocket. Then reattach the elastic loops to the calf support. Flip the seat back over and push the crotch strap up through the seat pad. Reconnect the snaps to the sides and foot end of the seat. Readjust the canopy height if needed. You're ready to go.